In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add a Pinterest link to your Instagram bio. Adding a Pinterest link in your Instagram bio allows your followers to access your Pinterest profile and view all of your boards and pins. By following a few simple steps, you can easily add the link in just a few seconds. To get started, open up the Pinterest mobile app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on this button at the top right. And then tap Copy Link. Now you've copied the link of your Pinterest profile. So now what you want to do next is exit the Pinterest app and open up the Instagram app. Tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the Edit Profile button. And then tap where it says, Add Links. Tap Add External Link. Now all you have to do next is paste your Pinterest link over here. To do that, long press and tap Paste. For the title, you can enter Pinterest. And then tap Done at the top right to save changes. Now if I go back, you can see the Pinterest link on my Instagram bio, and anyone can tap on it to go and view my Pinterest profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.